In Indonesia's Aceh province, two men were publicly whipped on Thursday for engaging in same-sex relations. The punishment carried out under the region's strict Sharia law has drawn strong international condemnation, particularly from Amnesty International, which has called for an immediate end to such brutal practices. The incident has once again ignited the global debate on human rights, discrimination, and a legal system in Aceh. The punishment took place in front of a crowd, with dozens of spectators watching as the two men received lashes, one enduring 77 strokes, while the other was whipped 82 times. According to authorities, the men were arrested after being caught in a private setting and found guilty of violating Aceh's Islamic criminal code, which criminalizes same-sex relationships. Following their punishment, the two individuals were sent back to their homes. Rashalana Jalil, the head of Aceh Sharia Enforcement Agency, defended the punishment, stating that the men had been proven guilty and were thus subjected to the legal penalties outlined by local law. However, this has sparked outrage among human rights organizations. Amnesty International has strongly condemned the public flogging, calling it a horrific act of discrimination. Amnesty's Asia-Pacific director, Ferrer, issued a statement emphasizing that consensual relationships between adults should never be criminalized. He further urged the central Indonesian government to take immediate steps toward abolishing corporal punishment in Aceh and ensuring that human rights are respected across the country. This is not just about Indonesia. It's about the larger issue of how LGBTQ+ rights are treated in certain regions under religious laws. Public flogging send a terrifying message to the community and reinforce fear, stigma, and discrimination. It's crucial for Indonesia's central government to intervene and bring Aceh's legal framework in line with international human rights standards. Activists and human rights organizations continue to pressure the Indonesian government, demanding that laws criminalizing same-sex relationships be repealed. While Aceh operates under special autonomy, calls for reform are growing, both domestically and internationally. As the world watches, the question remains: will Indonesia take action to protect human rights and end discriminatory punishments, or will it continue to allow such practices under regional law? Only time will tell.